Okay, let's take a look at your warm-up. It says a baker made 24 cakes each day for 2 days. He used 4 cups of flour for each cake that he made. What's the total number of cups of flour the baker used on these 2 days? So he made cakes for 2 days. So day 1 and day 2. And it says on each day he made how many cakes? So on day 1 he made 24 cakes. On day 2 he made 24 cakes. And it says he used 4 cups of flour for each cake. So for one cake he made, let's say 4 cups of flour for each cake. Again, this one, 4 cups of flour for each cake. So for the first cup, for the first cake, it's 4 cups, the next cake, 4 cups, the next cake, 4 cups. So how many cups is that total? We would need to multiply. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Same thing over here. It should be the same thing. So 96 cups on day 1, 96 cups on day 2. To get the total, we would need to do 96 plus 96, which is 6 plus 6 is 12. 9 plus 9 plus 1 is 19. So we have 192 cups of flour.